Hey everybody, welcome to the Terms, Tips, and Tricks, episode 18. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Each episode I try to explore a term or a concept you may encounter in a real estate transaction and explain those in a way that I hope is easily understood. Today we're going to be talking about negative and positive equity. Positive equity is when you owe less on your home than what you can possibly sell it for, on fair market value, of course. Negative equity is when you owe more than what you can sell it for. Be careful, it's not quite that cut and dry. Your loan may be less, but if you don't have enough equity to pay the additional fees associated with the transaction, such as the state, the county taxes, the commissions, the attorney fee, you may end up having to bring cash to closing. This is one of the reasons for the appraisal and for lending regulations like the Dodd-Frank Act we talked about a few weeks ago. It prevents predatory lending and keeps homeowners from getting in a position where foreclosure and short sales become necessary. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my website, chriswhitehurst.com. You can also find them on YouTube and Facebook. If you like what you see, be sure to follow me on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. And as always, share with your friends. More great content coming soon. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.